Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a jump rope. First, ensure your rope is the correct length. When standing on the middle of the rope, the handles should reach your armpits. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart, knees slightly bent, and shoulders relaxed. Keep your elbows tucked in close to your sides, using small, circular motions primarily from your wrists to swing the rope. This foundational stance is crucial for efficient and injury-free jumping. Now, let's master the basic jump. Aim for a small, controlled hop, lifting your feet only about 1 to 2 inches off the ground, just enough for the rope to clear. Land gently on the balls of your feet, absorbing the impact. Focus on a steady, continuous rhythm, coordinating your wrist turns with your jumps. Practice for 30 to 60 seconds at a time, gradually increasing your duration as you become more comfortable. To improve quickly, let's address common errors. Many beginners jump too high, wasting energy. Remember, only a 1-inch lift is needed. Avoid swinging your entire arm. The power comes from your wrists. Looking down can disrupt your balance, so keep your eyes focused straight ahead. Also, double-check your rope length. An improperly sized rope makes learning much harder. Correcting these will significantly enhance your jump rope experience. Once you've mastered the basic jump, you can explore exciting variations like the alternate foot jump or even the crisscross. Jump rope is an excellent full-body workout, burning approximately 10 to 16 calories per minute, depending on intensity. Incorporate it into your warm-up for 5 minutes or as a high-intensity cardio session for 20 to 30 minutes. It significantly boosts coordination, agility, and cardiovascular endurance, making it a fantastic fitness tool.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.